Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing y'all a natural hair video. Crazy, I know. But I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this Flexi rod set. So if you want to see how I achieved it, then keep on watching. So you're going to start on clean blow-dried hair, and the products I'll be using is the It's a 10 leave-in and the Do Most Def Mousse. And I'm also using these satin flexi rods I got from Ulta. I used about 5 packs of these, I think, but I'll link all this in the description box. Right here, I'm parting off my hair. I work in 8 sections just because I have so much hair. It's just easier for me to work in these sections. So I part my hair down the middle, and then I part behind my ear. So I have 2 sections now on one side of my head, and then I part both of those sections in half. So that'll give me 4 sections on each side of my head, 8 sections. So I'm just gonna take one of those sections, part out a smaller section, and I'm gonna spray on my It's a 10 leave-in, brush that in, and then I'm gonna apply my mousse. I do like a pump and a half of this for each section that I'm flexi rodding, but I'm just applying that all over the hair. And then my method for flexi rodding, I wrap my ends like you see me doing here, and then I'm going to roll up a couple times just to make sure the ends are secure and rolled up in there good. And then I'm gonna start twisting the rest of the way. Hopefully y'all can see like what I'm doing, if that makes sense, but I'm just twisting up all the way. And then once you get all the way to the top, you're just going to bend it on each end to secure it. If it doesn't stay when you bend it one way, bend it the opposite way and it should stay. But you're just gonna do this on every single section. It's pretty easy once you get in like a good flow state, but I'm gonna let y'all watch me do it a few more times. Well, really y'all gonna watch me do this whole half of my head, and I'll do the other half off camera. But yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do this a few more times so y'all can get the hang of exactly what I'm doing. But hopefully it makes sense. I'll be trying to explain stuff. I'm not that good at explaining stuff. But again, apply the leave-in, brush it through, apply your mousse all over the hair, and then once you start flexi rodding, wrap your ends, roll up a couple times to make sure they're secure, twist up the rest of the way, and then bend to secure.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Alright, I'm finally done with this side of my head. I will do the other side off camera. And there we are. If only it went by that fast. But now we're going to sit under a hooded dryer. I sat under it for 2 hours. This thing is old, y'all. I don't even know. We've had this thing for so long, but it still works. Anyway, 2 hours are up. I went to bed after this, so I guess that was a little extra drying time. But now it is the next day, and I'm getting ready to take them loose. Fingers crossed that it comes out cute. Obviously, I already know it did because I'm recording this after the fact, but in the moment, I was crossing my fingers that it was cute and it was dry. Because y'all know if you undo a Flexi rod set or anything like that and it's not dry, you can just forget it. But anyway, I'm going to be taking all these out, and then after they're all out, we will separate the curls.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know.
All right, now that we've got all the Flexi rods out, I'm going to take my sacred oil and apply that to my hands to separate the curls, just to reduce the frizz and also add some shine and add a little nourishment to the hair.
Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let me right around, talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. That you do know. But never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this.
All right, going to repeat on the other side, and voila. Now I'm going to take my pick and fluff it out at the roots and kind of try and get some of those parts out from me sectioning it from the flexi rods, and also the parts I did to section off my hair from the beginning, and basically just getting everything to lay how I want it to. Give it a little volume. And there we have it. I think everything came out so cute. I love the little bang in the front. I do need to get my bangs trimmed though, because they were a little long. But anyway, I will have all the products linked in the description box below. Let me know what you think of it. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.